This is a real board. 70 plus components, dense routing, and right now it isn't passing its design rule check. The usual move is to run the DRC, get a flat list of violations, and grind through them. On a team, that grind often lands on whoever has the most experience. So, let's hand this to Autodesk Assistant instead. The first prompt here, explain the DRC errors. Instead of a raw list, it reads the actual design and lays it out in plain language. 29 errors sorted into two types. 26 copper clearance violations across the top and bottom layers, and it flags the ones on the power net class, since those carry more current and need more room. 3 more sit inside a keepout, and it tells you what to fix first. Now, it's not just the senior engineer who can act on this. Anyone on the team can read it and keep the project moving. Second prompt is broader. How can I improve the board? This is where it earns its keep. It reads the whole design and ranks what matters. Clear the violations, widen the power traces carrying real current, add a ground pour up top to match the one underneath. Every suggestion points back to a specific net, layer, or part, nothing generic. That's a second set of eyes on the board before it ever reaches review. 2 prompts in your own words, a straight read on what's wrong, and a ranked plan for what's next. That compounds when it's the whole team. Every seat gets the same caliber of review, and the standard comes up across the board. So open up one of your designs and start asking.